Welcome to the next video on learning Bootstrap step by step. My name is QD Asdani and you guys watching my channel Korayawood. In this video we're going to see how we're going to make carousel. What is carousel? Carousel, as you guys been to the many websites, you guys see this pictures, cool pictures going here and there, going in a circle. Sometimes it goes in interval like 2 seconds or 5 seconds or like this pictures going here. This is carousel. So how are we going to make this with Bootstrap? I'm here at the Pixabay. It's got a free images, so you guys need 3 images or whatever images of your choice. Say I'm gonna first do this cool looking picture, so make sure you guys come here to any of these free websites. So the first one, I'm gonna do this picture because I needed 3 pictures. I'm looking for boats, so there's a first boat, second boat, third boat. Okay, I'm not a robot. And you guys see that the first pictures is downloading. Alright, so we go there and we go do the, say this one, and we download 1920. You guys can even download this one, no problem. It's a large picture, it looks a bit so traffic lights, so 1 traffic light, second, third, looks like there is none, 3 traffic lights. Alright, so this one's download as well. Now we're looking for our third picture. Keep in mind, you guys can go and download the which one next. You guys can download the e-commerce website, or you guys can download anything. Say alright, so I'll have a look. I'm gonna download, say, this one. This is a nice looking picture. It's a bit small, but 1281, that's perfect. Mountain hills, so where's the mountain hills 1, mountain hills 2, mountain hills 3. I'm not sure, that's trees. Okay, and that's the third picture, and that's our we're gonna make our carousel right here, and we see how it looks. So now we go in our download and we see our pictures right here. So I'm going to select 3 of these pictures and I'll move them. See if the Windows give me the option of moving. So what I'll do is I'll copy. I go to my C, to WIMP, HD docs, and Cool Shop Salon, my asset, and my IMG images, and I'm gonna paste it here. For simplicity reasons, we can come here and rename the pictures because we can't remember these numbers. So it's a lot easier to remember this. Say Milky Way, or okay, so, and we can come here and do our another picture, which is woman. You guys can download anything as you guys like. You don't have to download these pictures. Alright, so with our 3 pictures downloaded, and you guys can check here that 3 pictures sitting here. So we begin our carousel. So what we do is that we opening a div and we giving a class. Class is carousel class, carousel slide. You can call it slide as well. And you give it an ID. You need an ID as well. Say carousel example, for example. Yeah, that's our ID. We're gonna put a data BS right. Sorry, right. Okay, so we put another div. So now we created our carousel, the main frame. So the class is carousel inner. Carousel, CAROUSEL, inner. Alright, so the third one, we put another div and we go for class. Carousel item active, as we've done in the previous video with our menu. And now it comes in the fun part is IMG. You guys need to define your IMG, and we deal with the source now, and we put a class, we put a D block, and we put a W100, width is 100, and you guys can put an alternative, we put a woman. Okay, so here our image is sitting at the asset IMG, and it's a woman. So that's our first picture. Now we head to our second picture. Div class carousel item, and keep in mind this is not active, and we put IMG source, asset IMG, and we put a Milky Way. Okay, so that's our Milky Way. Okay, so the woman.jpg, Milky Way.jpg. We put a class D block W100, and for alternative you guys can put a Milky Way. Alright, so now we're coming to our I'm gonna put these ones. Okay, so now I'll copy this, I'll repeat that here for the third slide. Carousel item, so what I'll do is that woman, Milky Way, and Lotus, the last one, LOTUS, Lotus. Alright, so now with our carousels complete slider, we have a look at our slider. So we'll go at there at Zomp, we see if the Zomp's running. You guys can fire up your Zomp, and we can go here and check whether our sliders alright, so now it looks like our slider is working. So now our carousel is working. We have as you guys see, that's the front of the website. So later on in the video I'm gonna bring this maybe later on to take this picture here. So what I'll do is that I'm gonna slide this my carousel, because now it's the first pictures which is item active, the moment's showing, and the rest is not showing. So what I'll do is that I'll try to make a control. So how do we make a control? Alright, so right behind here, just before here, you guys can put your button. And in the button, we put a class, carousel control prev. So carousel control preview, and it's a type button. type button and data BS target. As we explained before, so we're going to put this carousel example, this one here, carousel example, not a item, carousel. So carousel, okay, carousel example, carousel example. Alright, so that's our data BS target, because we are gonna glue this to that one, and we put a data BS slide, and that's a previous, and we're gonna do another one which we're gonna put it at the next. In this one we're gonna create two spend, and we're gonna give it class carousel control preview item, carousel item, carousel control preview item, and we put an area hidden. If you guys wanna hide something, you guys always put this area hidden is equal to true. Alright, so the last was this one. We're gonna put a spam again, and we put a class visually hidden, and we put a previous. Now we're gonna copy this button again, because we had our previous, and we do our next. Because what happens is this previous and next comes in and opposite of each other. So the next one, carousel control previous next. This one's gonna come next, and this type is button. Data BS target is carousel example, and data BS slide is next. Okay, so that's previous item is going to be next icon, next, and that's another item, that's icon, and we're going to fix here as well. Alright, so area hidden is equal to true, and spend class visually hidden is, and we're going to put it next. Alright. And if you guys notice, there is a small thing here. It's a control. Okay, so looks like there is here there is a problem. So data BS right. We didn't put a carousel. Okay, so here is a problem as well. Carousel slide. Alright, so we go here at our JavaScript to see if we need to further bring our JS. Bootstrap min JS. We want to see if we want to bring this Bootstrap min JS. Okay, so we bring further bootstrap.minified JS. And we want to try again. So what I'll do, I'll check for our responsive website is working. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll in the next video we're gonna try to work further, and we're gonna make few buttons underneath. We're gonna create a cool layout, but at the moment all we need to, I just wanted to show you guys how to bring this your carousel here, and in the next videos we're gonna see how we're gonna give animation to our carousel to go with the slides and to then show all these three pictures in interval. Alright, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.